Hi everyone, you are at Usitility, Game's best channel. Are you an enthusiastic gamer of Summoner's War and would you like to have fun with this game on big screen? In this video you will know about playing Summoner's War on PC. As you know, this is actually an Android OS game, and we will find out how to install it on personal computer. You're viewing it on screen, and you can see how it's running. So, let's begin. Firstly, start any browser such as Google Chrome and then you should go to the website provided in video description. It's the URL, I show it right here in case you intend to view it a little bit larger. This particular link will take you to the page of Summoner's War in BlueStacks app. BlueStacks is the computer software we'll use to download and install the game as well as play it on computer. BlueStacks is an amazing software to download almost any mobile game on a large screen. We click the Download Summoner's War for PC option, and the downloading will start. Here you go, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. Then we simply click this file to start it. Windows the 10th of May ask you for permissions. So as to carry on installing, only accept the conditions. I'll minimize the browser tab, so that we can see the installer better. We will set up the directory where to install this game. Directory can be picked simply by clicking on Customize Installation. We just leave it as it is, we simply click Back, and then we click on the Install Now button. The size of the file is 512 MB only. The downloading depends upon the net speed. Now it can continue to the installation of the emulator. The installation is done. As BlueStacks is installed first time, so it's gonna take time to start. This specific part is very significant. Here's an option for Google Play, sign in, you need to go here. Log in to Google Play by providing your email and also password. It is essential to sign in if we want to install this game. I'll be back after this particular step. In this step, we'll just log into the Google account. We've logged into it, and we are welcomed. You'll be required to accept the terms, and for this purpose, simply hit on I agree. We don't prefer to create the system backup, therefore we will pick No. It'll display similar setup as of cell phone or even tablet, and if you'll make a backup, it'll save the data for future. We accept it, and it will quickly head over to Google Play. If you want to get free from the emulator, this is an arrow, press on it. You will see these two icons, BlueStacks Multi-Instance and BlueStacks. Click on BlueStacks to launch the BlueStacks application. It is the time to install Summoner's War on laptop or computer so that we'll play this thrilling game on a big screen. See, we are going to press Google Play as a way to install this exciting game. Installing the Summoner's War begins, it downloads the game. Well, downloading of the game depends upon the internet connection. Hence, it's now done downloading, and as you can view, it has now created one more icon on your computer's desktop, Summoner's War, that will let us connect to the game without needing to start the BlueStacks. If we restart laptop, we double-click this specific Windows icon, and then the game will start. You may have explored the way to start Summoner's War, even so I will show you a different way to launch Summoner's War through BlueStacks. Simply click here to start Summoner's War and have fun. This is an option to customize the keyboard configuration. As we aren't eager to customize keyboard configurations, and so we will keep them as it is. You'll definitely enjoy playing the game even on a big screen. If yes, you'll get big screen in two ways. See, this is how you can enhance the screen by maximizing the emulator. Anyways, it will not get 100% larger. As we prefer 100% full display, we will have to touch F11 key to go into the full screen mode, and click F11 again if you want to exit the full screen. No activity in your PC will disrupt you while playing the game in full screen mode. For those who have a powerful laptop, then it will better aid gaming within an emulator. Want to find out the way to alter the language? Let us know it. We go on Preferences right here. You can choose any language from this point that you would like to. And here you go. Anyway, here is the game installed. Very simple. We'll keep sharing such useful videos for all of you, therefore do not forget to subscribe to Usitility and also give a thumb up to this video. Thank you buddies for your time. I hope this video will be useful for those who have watched it thoroughly. Okay, bye.